Style, prestige, and true elegance are unmatched, and our newest listing at 137 Pinewood Trail has it all. I'm Corey Harding-Keys of CHK Real Estate, and I can't wait to show you around this property. It's in a class of its own. Let's take a look around. From the moment you step up to the gorgeous front door, you'll know this home is something special. Inside, the design will entice you to explore every inch. You'll find the living room behind two French doors and bright, spacious, high ceilings. Around the corner is an elegant dining room that showcases pot lights, a fireplace, and beautiful wainscoting that add depth and style to the home. Head through the arched door to the kitchen. Its white and tan finishes are light and airy. The kitchen features an abundance of natural light, top-of-the-line appliances, Caesar-stone countertops, and to tie it all together, a tile backsplash. Let's head to the second level where there are two distinct wings. In one, you'll find a dreamy primary suite that feels like a luxury retreat. Walk into the spacious bedroom and the first thing you'll notice is the 20-foot vaulted ceilings. Below that is a sitting area, his and her walk-in closets, and a large ensuite bathroom. A sitting area, two skylights, and a catwalk leads you to the second wing. Here, there are 3 additional bedrooms, including a second primary suite. Let's head down to the lower level. It's finished with pot lights and offers a separate bathroom, a recreation room, and loads of storage options. The magic continues outside. The majestic trees, a Japanese maple, and all of the greenery fill the 100 by 170 foot lot in its serene cottage-like setting. Relaxation mode is on when you're lounging by the in-ground heated pool and listening to the waterfall feature. This is the perfect place to entertain family and friends. And this location, well, it needs no introduction. Mineola is arguably one of Mississauga's most desirable and exclusive neighborhoods. A community tucked away on picturesque streets with manicured lawns, multi-million-dollar homes, and majestic trees that transport you into the Muskokas. Here you'll have walking trails, you're close to the lake, and the ever-popular community of Port Credit, a neighborhood that bustles with restaurants, shops, and markets. With so much charm and luxury, this is a home you'll want to run, not walk to. For more information or to book a private tour, call or text me at 416-833-5516.